certificate is very important because of the following reasons. Number one, you'll need it during admission to higher levels of learning. Number two, when applying for an ID or a passport. And then number three, when applying for job placement. Requirement for this query: to begin, you must have a copy of your KCPE certificate or result slip. You need the copy of your national identity card. And then for non-Kenyans or foreigners, you need a passport copy. For those below 18 years, you can use your birth certificate copy and a letter from the center or your school. Application procedure: go into your browser and type in the website below the screen. That is www.qmis.nec.ac.ke. Register or log into the KNEC query management system. Once you have registered, you can log in using your email address and the PIN. Hit the login button. You'll be taken to the following page. Go to the query tab, move down to biodata, amendment, click, and then on the following page, key in the candidate's index number, just to ensure that all the fields are done. Select the query type. These are the queries you can initiate. For us, we go for the name amendment. Select the exam. For our case, it is KCPE. Select the year in which the exam was done. That should be 2021. And then once the information is filled in, hit the find button. Now we want to change the name. Just below the candidate's details, you can type in the proposed name. Ensure that you capture the changes you want in the name. I'll key in the proposed name. Once I'm done, I'll now upload the required documents. From the drop down, we can upload the certificate or result slip. So I'll select the first option. Choose file. You'll be taken to the files in your computer. I'll go into my documents where I've saved the scanned copies of the required documents. Then I'll select, you can read it there, KCPE certificate, then attach. Once you attach, the attached document will be shown here. I'll go back to select the next document. Will be taken to your file. Once you select choose, I'll go back to where I've saved the document. Here it is. Open, then attach. I'll go back, I select the third document, choose. I'll be taken back to the file, select, open, I'll attach, and and there it is. So when the information is done, you can hit the submit button once you are sure you uploaded all the documents. So you can see successfully posted or posted successfully. So the query has been sent. You can come here and check the status, the level at which your query is. So you can see the query you have sent, all the details are there, initiated. This is stage number 1 of 5. Request received, confirmation of details, and documents ongoing. A payment will get a notification on your phone with the details on how you are going to pay for the services. You can use PayBill or direct bank deposits, and then collection can be done after 60 working days from the KNEC offices in your county or sub-county. You receive a notification via email or SMS on when to collect. Then be sure to surrender your current certificate during collection.